Hey, what's up, guys? So this is the second car I got this week out of Copart, like I showed you last time in my past video. So I'm gonna go further in detail onto this car. So as you can see, there's no damage on this side. You can see only these scratches down here. The back side, everything is in good shape. No problems on this side. And this is where we get to the damage. It's part of the door and part of this what you might call that rear quarter panel, just behind the door. Beyond that, there's nothing else. Nothing else. Let's see if I have the key with me. Okay, I do have it. Let's go check it out inside. It's practically new inside, guys. The problem with this car right now, it's, of course, the damage outside, and this curtain airbag got deployed. You can see it right there. That creased right here. So that's causing of course that the airbag light and that up there. See that? Check airbag system. And now it's gonna start making that sound, that little bell sound, and it won't go away. See that sound? And that's just gonna stay there until you fix that airbag, I guess. I'm trying to see if find a way to keep the light on, because I know I don't have the airbag, but at least to make that bell go away. It's a bit annoying. That light, of course, is for the low pressure on the tires. But the car is practically new on the inside. I like the car, man. It's a nice little car. I was looking for the door on eBay, and there's one that sells for $250. It's got a bit of damage. That door also's got some damage to it, and this car has only 60,000 miles, I believe. Let me check. There we go, 60,058. There we go, 60,000 miles in the car. Let me show you guys under the hood. Nothing wrong with the car except that. But the door opens and closes perfect. There's nothing in its way. So the window rolls down perfect too. Even though it's got this damage inside, this doesn't interfere nothing with the door at all. It's a nice little car. Oh, like I said, I found a door similar to this one on eBay. It's the same color from a different car, but the other one is $250, and it's got a damage right here. Smaller damage, easier to fix than that. But a person that I know told me, gave me this idea. You said, there's a lot of people out there that are looking for cars that need the car for work, so they don't mind having that, because they want the car just to drive back and forth, maybe 2 hours a day back and forth, you know, 2 hours to work and 2 hours back to get home. So they need a car with low miles, you know, a nice little car that saves gas, and they don't care about the damage. This car is a perfect car for that, because all the lights are working, the tail lights are working. The airbag needs to get fixed though. And since this is a 2012, you won't need to go to the CHP to get the inspection. Only DMV will do the inspection on them, but we do need to get that airbag fixed. Beyond that, the door could stay that way if a person wants it that way. So that's what he was telling me. And he told me to put it on Craigslist just the way it is, you know, to see if somebody wants it. So I did post it on Craigslist the way it is. You know, I was gonna leave it there for a couple days, and if nothing goes on, then I'm gonna continue you know, ordering the parts and get this thing fixed. But as soon as I put it, you know, there was a lot of people interested in the car, and somebody's coming right now. I guess he's driving from 2 hours, a little bit, yeah, around 2 hours away. He said he's gonna come and check out the car, and he wants it away. I told him, you know, what was wrong with the car. I told him about the airbag, and that the car needs to get the plates. It's registered till December, so there's no fees on the plates or the registration. I mean, he needs to get the actual metal plate, and pay the brake and lamp inspection and stuff like that. I talked to him already about all about that, so he said he was okay with that. So I don't know, maybe this is the last we'll see about the Civic. I hope he takes it, but at the same time, you know, I do really want to get my hands on it. But you know, that's the way things go. Sometimes the car does have a sunroof, and it works perfect too. Let me show you guys the trunk. So, I mean, the car is practically new. I mean, the person that had it took really good care of it. It smells nice inside. And honestly, I mean, we did a little bit of vacuuming, but I mean, the car is just the way it is. I did clean it a bit, but I mean, it wasn't really that dirty. Let me turn that off. So yeah guys, this is the car. So I'm just waiting right now for the guy to come check it out and see what's happening, see what happens. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one.